Welcome back, 7:14. Now, well, Evan tells us this all the time. Beauty sleep is important.
It's very important.
Right? Yeah, when you don't get enough sleep, it can wreak havoc on your skin, and that can affect your sleep hygiene.
That's right, and this morning, Creme 2's Rose Beltz is live at Valley Dermatology to find out how our skin repairs itself and why we may want to consider maybe changing our sheets a little more often. Good morning, Rose.
Good morning, Evan. Thanks so much. I'm here this morning with nurse practitioner Zelda Swain here at Valley Dermatology. So we're learning now that our body is protecting ourselves during the day and it's repairing ourselves at night. So what is going on with our skin while we sleep?
So when we sleep, our body is allowed to have the blood supply shunt to our skin.
Okay.
So it's great for a vascular supply to the skin.
Okay.
So for healing and repairing, that all happens at nighttime. So we sort of, during the day, we're sort of focusing on digestion and muscle movement and organs. And at night, we really let the skin repair.
So how much sleep do we need?
So, you know, people need to feel rested, and it's somewhat variable, but the range is about 6 to 8 hours.
Okay.
So people that feel rested with 6, they're doing just fine.
So if we're not able to get that, what's going on with our skin if we're not getting that sleep we
Yeah,
need?
that's a great question. So we find that elevated cortisol levels occur when we're not rested. We go into sort of a stress response, and that causes just general inflammation. So that's where you get sort of problems with skin dryness and skin friability and not having those fresh cells come to the surface.
I also read that when we're sleeping, our collagen, that's when our collagen's working, human growth hormone, and kind of all that good stuff.
Sure. So collagen is the big thing, right? Collagen keeps our skin plump and looking healthy. We have a lot of things that help our collagen. The two main ones that you hear about are retinols like retin A, tretinoin, and then the other ones are the antioxidants, the biggest one being vitamin C. So that's why we use the retinols at night, is to help that collagen repair and grow.
So what are some things that people can do watching that they can help their sleep hygiene?
Okay. So sleep hygiene, that's a big one. You know, so I think everyone knows now not to have screen time within 2 hours of sleep because it really stimulates the brain, that blue light. So that's one thing you can do. We're also a big fan of making your bed a restful place and not a place where you hang out. We have some things that we provide here at the dermatology clinic that help people sleep on their back.
Okay. Let's talk about that pillow that you were mentioning.
Right. So when you sleep, you typically might have a response like this, where you smush your face into the pillow.
Sure.
And so we have a pillow that has a scoop out that prevents you smushing your face. It also helps with grinding your jaw and preventing that, and that any neck pain that comes with not having a scoop in your pillow.
Okay, and so the thing I want to get to is that we know we're shedding skin as we sleep. So if you can get really quickly into that, and how often should we change our sheets?
Change your sheets, right. So sometimes you might notice in the wintertime, if you take off dark clothes, that you see a bunch of dead skin in them, and that's really a not exfoliating issue. So, so people that exfoliate in the shower might need to change their sheets less, but we do shed a lot of skin in the drier months. So changing every week is a good standard.
Well, thank you so much, and I know you are. Thank you. They are seeing new patients here at Valley Dermatology. In case you want to come down for cosmetic or medical reasons, they'd be happy to answer your questions. And also, you guys at the studio, I have something to help you get a little bit better beauty sleep this weekend. Enjoy from me and from Valley Dermatology.
Wow!
Great day back there.
Wow!
Look at this aromatherapy. Oh, I love lavender.
Sleep tight.
Oh, tell all of them over there, thank you so much for this. Doesn't this look awesome?
Love that. Well, we've been talking about getting better sleep all week long, and one of the ways to wind down at the end of the night is a bubble bath, which this might be perfect for, or the essential oils, and they suggested lavender.
Exactly. So a lot of good things to keep in mind, and I mean, I think that's always the key, is just being able to wind